Hello, guys! You know that I really adore English. I just can't do without it, and I can't help learning it. That's why I start this channel, and that's why I want to help someone to learn English, to acquire it, to enjoy the process of learning. And let's do it today. Let's try to speak. Let's try to use our knowledge. I will have a great picture, so look at it and try to describe whatever you see. Ready? Steady? Go! That was great. You are doing very well. Good job. Subscribe to my channel if you want to practice English, if you want to know it. See you soon. Bye bye.